Hello, my name is Hugh. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show how to use chopsticks today. I know most people, when they go to an Asian restaurant, they really have difficulties in picking up the main food, the rice and the noodles. Using chopsticks, they feel they are small and they are sleepy. It's really hard to pick them up, but actually it's not that difficult. For rice, usually the grain they have a kind of stickiness, so that you can just put your chopsticks on the chunk of rice you want to pick up, gently squeeze it a little bit. Usually you can pick it up relatively easily. There are different kinds of rice available in Asian restaurants. If you are going to a Chinese or a Thai restaurant, for example, usually the rice you can find is the long grain white rice, and usually those rice are a little bit less sticky. The way Chinese usually eat their rice is bring the bowl towards their body, and then they kind of just put the rice into their mouth instead of laying the bowl on the table and then get all the way from the bowl to your mouth. And that is also considered a more polite position. If you pick up the rice directly on the table, usually it's considered is a rude in polite table manners. In a Japanese restaurant, the rice they usually serve is the soft grain sushi rice, which is actually kind of like sticky rice. They are more sticky, so that actually if you want to hold your bowl and a little bit farther away from your mouth and your head in general, even though the distance between the bowl and your mouth is greater, and when you pick up the rice, because the rice are stickier, usually the rice will not fall in the middle of the way. So actually, if you want to practice eating the rice, I will recommend, if you want to gain some confidence, you can use the short grain sushi rice at first, and once you graduate, you can move on to the longer grain rice like the Chinese jasmine rice and stuff like that.